The Great Barrier Reef, a natural wonder under threat. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, is the world's largest coral reef system, stretching over 2,300 kilometers. It is composed of nearly 3,000 individual reefs and 900 islands, making it one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. The reef is home to thousands of species of marine life, including fish, mollusks, sea turtles, and sharks, as well as over 400 types of coral. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1981, recognizing its immense ecological and scientific value. However, the Great Barrier Reef faces significant threats from climate change, ocean acidification, and human activities. Rising sea temperatures have led to widespread coral bleaching events, where corals expel the algae that give them their vibrant colors and essential nutrients. This weakens the corals and can lead to their death if conditions do not improve. Additionally, pollution from agricultural runoff, overfishing, and coastal development further endanger the reef's health. Conservation efforts, such as marine protected areas, sustainable fishing practices, and global climate action, are crucial to preserving this natural wonder for future generations. Despite the challenges, the Great Barrier Reef remains a symbol of the beauty and resilience of our planet's marine ecosystems.